In this video, we're going to make authentic chewy Italian nougat from scratch, also known as torrone. This classic Christmas candy is a beloved tradition, with a melt-in-your-mouth combo of whipped egg whites, rich honey, toasted nuts like almonds and hazelnuts, and a hint of lemon. I'll guide you through this surprisingly easy recipe, sharing tips and tricks for that signature soft, chewy texture. And by the end, you'll have this irresistible sweet to package up as gifts or just devour all by yourself. Let's get started. First, we have to toast the dried fruit. Preheat the oven to 100 degrees. Place almonds, hazelnuts, and pistachios on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Heat for 10 minutes to warm, but not toast the dried fruit. This step enhances their flavor without over-toasting. Now let's make the sugar syrup. In a saucepan, add the honey and place it on the stove with it off, being ready to heat it up to bring the temperature to 130 degrees. In another saucepan, combine 200 grams of sugar, water, and grated lemon zest, and heat over medium heat. The sugar mixture must reach 145 degrees. Check the temperature periodically. When it hits 110 degrees, also heat the honey to medium-low. You'll need to monitor both carefully with a cooking thermometer. As your syrups heat, whip egg whites with 10 grams of sugar until foamy. Continue whipping as both syrups heat on the stove. Once the honey reaches temperature, slowly add it to the egg whites. Do the same with the hot sugar mixture. Keep whipping with an electric mixer until the mixture is white and dry. Fold in your toasted nuts, then transfer the mixture to a pot. Heat gently for a few minutes, stirring constantly with a spoon. Remove from heat and stir until cooled and white. This final cooking step is crucial for achieving that perfect chewy almond nougat texture. Now let's create the classic shape of Italian nougat. To shape your traditional torrone recipe, you'll need a rectangular mold. Line the mold with edible wafer paper and pour your warm, soft nougat mixture into the mold, ensuring an even distribution. Use a moistened spatula to smooth the top surface, creating a uniform thickness. This technique prevents air pockets and ensures your chewy nougat has a consistent texture throughout. Top with another wafer and press firmly. Allow your white nougat to cool completely at room temperature. Once cooled, carefully remove the nougat block from the mold. Using a sharp non-serrated knife, cut your nougat into bars. For clean cuts, warm your knife blade in hot water and wipe it dry between each slice. This prevents the sticky nougat from adhering to the blade, ensuring smooth, professional-looking edges on your homemade white nougat bars. Your authentic chewy Italian nougat is ready! Enjoy!